My sweet dears, do not forget to bask in your own essence and glory. Glory! No. It is not a bad thing. You are not being egotistical. Loving yourself. How dare you? How dare you love yourself? How dare you bask in your own essence? This is preposterous! But here you are, doing it anyways, you little rebel. At a time when so many have been divided against themselves and one another, to choose your fellow human being. I am so proud of you. Take it in. It's okay, take it in. I'm proud of you. You should be proud of you too. Yes, I realize we have a long way to go. Many layers to peel back still. But it's not a race. I'm here for the journey, my dear. And I most certainly do not treat my emotions or any parts of myself as if they must be different immediately, as if they must change immediately. No. Understanding compassion. It is the only way to truly unify from within. Otherwise, we wither on the vine. We wither away. Drying up. Breaking apart because we are brittle. No. You see, when we are loving ourselves, we are juicy, baby. We are hydrated. We are flexible.